Don't mind. Look at him. He's a natural. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. I don't know about all this attention. You know, it might be too much for me. Y'all have a good day now. Okay. Seagulls, Carpinteria, end of Linden. Anyway, I looked up, I wondered why birds stood on one leg. And if you look it up, there's one theory that it's to keep themselves warm, that the legs get cold. And yet there's only one doing it. And I've come up with my own theory. And if they wanted to keep really warm, wouldn't they just sit down like those other ones? But maybe they want to be at the ready to fly away, so they only put one leg down to keep warm. But my theory is that they do it so that we'll wonder about it and make up theories, unscientific, unprovable theories. So that's the only one doing it. Hey, look at him. I'm standing here. Look at that idiot. He's wondering why I'm standing on one leg. So that's my theory.